Hi, this is Bill for Sparky channel. Today I'd like to discuss some very important maintenance for electric motors, such as the ones on battery-powered string trimmers, like these DeWalt string trimmers. The one on your left is in new condition, while the one on your right has been used very hard. Getting air to an electric motor is critical for cooling the motor, as it prevents overheating by dissipating heat generated in the stator and rotor windings. So regular cleaning of these motor vents can make your string trimmer last longer and work better. Now, how about these fins? Are they just for decoration? The answer is no. Even though they are not vents, they serve to dissipate heat by increasing the area of the motor casing. The greater surface area makes it possible for more heat to dissipate from the motor. If the old grass is allowed to cake onto this area, it serves as insulation, which will cause greater heat in the electric motor. So let's give the one on the right a good cleaning. Let's do some good old-fashioned scraping and some scrubbing and some just knocking off the crud, some blowing with the blower, and here we go. Let's check it out. It's not too bad. It's certainly a whole lot better than it was. And the air is going to be able to flow around that electrical motor, and it'll stay much cooler now. I'd like to mention that the DeWalt string trimmers are particularly susceptible to this problem because they locate the motor down by the head of the string trimmer. Other brands, such as Milwaukee, put the motor higher up, which makes buildup of grass particles on the motor vents less likely. The DeWalt string trimmers do have a shorter transmission line from the motor to the head, so that may be an advantage, which may or may not outweigh the disadvantage of the motor vents being close to the grass that is being cut. I hope this video makes some string trimmers have longer lives. Thanks!